In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload 4K video on TikTok. So first I open this video, then prove this is 4K video. Now click on this icon, then you can see it's totally 4K. You can see here are is 4K video. Now I need to going on TikTok, then you need to click on profile, then again click on setting, then click on this three dot menu. Again, click on setting and privacy. At the last moment, you can find data saver. You must be sure this is currently turned off. Then again, go back on TikTok. Then click on plus icon. Then upload this video you already download on here. Then click on next. And everything process are now general as a same method, the low quality video and high quality video. That's it. So if I write here beauty, okay, now add a location, this one. And if you want to add link, this is possible, but I don't need, everyone can see this post. Okay, then more option, you can doing anything, allow high quality uploads or to check sound copyright and everything you can control here. Then click on post. That's it. If you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.